it's Mrs. Reynolds, and I am here, and we are going to be working through some of the projects in this book right here. Drawing Lab 52 Creative Exercises to Make Drawing Fun. So I figured, why not start day 1 with page 1, project 1. And this book is by Carla Sondheim. Really fun books. Hang on, let me go get that other book. So in this book, Art for Kids Drawing, there's a page at the beginning right here, and it says Drawing Rules to Live By or Life Rules to Draw By. I'll just read them to you really quickly. There is no one right way to draw. Number 2, don't compare your artwork to other people's. Number 3, there's really no messing up. Number 4, practice, which we all have time now to do. And number 5, don't stress out about showing your drawings to people. And I think that's something we're all going to have to get comfortable with, is showing our drawings with each other and sharing them virtually. The first project in the book says Cats in Bed. It says draw about 30 cats from your imagination while sitting or lying in your bed. You don't have to do this in your bed. I'm going to do it at my desk right here. Instructions: gather your materials and get into bed. You can either sit up with your paper propped on a pillow or lie on your stomach with the paper on the mattress. Think about what cats look like: ears, face shape, body shape, tail, and just spend the next 10 minutes or so drawing as many cats in as many positions as you can think of. Try to keep your lines simple and expressive. If you find that you are feeling tense, switch to your non-dominant hand. Ooh, that sounds exciting. I'm going to try that. Don't fret if you don't like many of your cats. It takes many, many drawings to get that one that you love. All right, here we go. I would suggest putting on some music. That always helps me get creative, but it's up to you. If you don't have any sort of markers, use a pencil, use a pen, use a Sharpie, whatever you have in your house, get it out, and let's draw, what they say, 10 cats, 30 cats. 30 cats. I've got this cup of markers here, so here we go. I'm going to put on some music. Get to drawing. 30 cats. I'll see you in a little bit. I've only got 8 so far. I think the point is just to keep going to 30. I've run out of space on my paper, so what I'm going to do is switch to a smaller material or a smaller tipped something. So these markers are pretty thick, so what I'm going to switch to is a pen or a pencil. Okay, now that's gotten like really small. I'm noticing that each of my cats has like a different personality or a different expression on their face. Come on guys, we're in this together. Let me double check with the book. 30 cats? About 30 cats. Here we go. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Almost halfway there. Keep going, keep persistent. It's tough. Oh, I like his face. And what you'll notice is like some of them you like, some of the bodies you like, some of the, maybe the faces that you like, or the noses or the mouths, or even like the situations that the cats are in. Maybe you like that. The more and more I'm doing them, the more I'm finding out, hey, maybe a cat would do this, or maybe a cat would do this. What would it look like if a cat's doing that? Here we go. Grumpy cat. A cat with cat eye glasses. He's waving. He's a human cat. I don't know why the cat's in a hole. The cat's just in a hole. He lost something. I don't know. And I don't think I have to know. See what we're up to. 2021. I am so close. I have to keep going. I am almost there. He's like a tiger cat or something. Got sharp teeth and sharp claws. Snooty cat. Three more to go. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. I think I did it. My goodness, that was tough. And what's tougher is to try and make the cats each look different in some way. And towards the end there, I got a little lazy with my cats. I did do a stick figure cheat cat. But I think the fun part was finding like the activities for the cats to do and the expressions on their faces, and maybe like making really skinny cats and really fat cats, really fluffy cats, fluffy tails, things like that. So it was super fun and difficult to do 30-ish cats in all different ways. I wish I had drawn a cat sitting on a computer keyboard. I'm gonna let you look at all the cats, and I can't wait to see all of yours. Good luck, and I'll see you next time.